Is flaxseed good for health? Imagine a tiny seed that could revolutionize your health in just 14 days. Flaxseed, also known as linseed, is one of nature's most powerful superfoods, and today we're diving deep into the incredible benefits it offers when consumed daily. Curious about what adding flaxseed to your diet could do for you? Stick around and let's explore. Flax seeds may be small, but don't let their size fool you. They pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. From improving digestion to balancing hormones and even enhancing skin and hair health, these tiny seeds can make a big difference in your overall well-being. Let's break down the top reasons why you should consider making flax seeds a daily part of your diet. Improved digestion. First up, let's talk about digestion. Flax seeds are loaded with dietary fibers, especially soluble fibers. What does that mean for you? Soluble fibers help soften stools, making them easier to pass, which can promote regular bowel movements and relieve constipation. In short, adding flax seeds to your daily routine could help you achieve a healthier digestive system. Hormonal balance for women. Ladies, this one's for you. Flax seeds contain compounds called lignans, which have a mild estrogenic effect. Eating flax seeds daily can help restore hormonal balance, improve fertility, and even ease the discomforts associated with PMS and menopause. Whether you're looking to support your reproductive health or just feel more balanced, flax seeds could be your new best friend. Stronger bones. Let's not forget about bone health. Flax seeds are rich in essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. These minerals are crucial for maintaining healthy bones, improving bone density, and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Strong bones are the foundation of a strong body, and flax seeds can help you keep them that way. Healthy skin and hair. Flax seeds aren't just good for your insides. They can work wonders for your skin and hair too. Rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid, flax seeds help maintain healthy cell membranes, which keeps your skin moisturized and glowing. And if you're dealing with dry, lackluster hair, flax seeds can help make it shinier and healthier. Relief from dry eyes. Do your eyes often feel dry and uncomfortable? Flax seeds might be the answer. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can increase the oily component of your tears, improving tear quality and helping to maintain moisture balance in your eyes. Say goodbye to the discomfort of dry eyes. Now that you know the amazing benefits of flax seeds, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your daily diet. It's best to use ground flax seeds, as they're easier to digest than whole seeds. Start with just 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed per day. This amount provides a great balance of nutrients without overwhelming your system with too much fiber. You can sprinkle ground flaxseed on your breakfast cereals, blend it into smoothies, or even use it as an egg substitute in baking. Just mix 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed with 3 tablespoons of water to replace 1 egg. A quick heads up: if you're new to flax seeds, start slow. Some people might experience increased bowel movements or digestive discomfort when they first begin eating flax seeds. To avoid this, introduce them gradually to give your digestive system time to adjust. Ready to take the plunge? I challenge you to add flax seeds to your daily routine for the next 14 days and see how your body responds. With benefits ranging from better digestion to healthier skin and hair, what have you got to lose? If you're excited to start your flaxseed journey, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you plan to incorporate flax seeds into your diet. Let's make this 14-day challenge a success together. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips, and stay tuned for more health-boosting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.